Hi everyone, this is Dave and welcome to a new business time video. In today's video I want to talk to you about staying grounded, which is a very important trait, and also staying professional. And staying professional is even more important nowadays because we live in an online world where we can interact with our customers, clients, viewers if you're on YouTube as a content creator, and it's really easy to sort of let things slip and not remain professional. But first of all, let's talk about staying grounded, and this applies to all different genres of videos, whether you're in the supply, retail or service industry, or indeed you're a content creator like myself. When your business becomes more popular, you often become more confident in yourself, which is a good thing. But you've got to be very careful that that doesn't change the way you interact and communicate with your customers or clients or viewers. It's really important to stay grounded and actually behave in the same manner as you did when you first started off your business. I'm sure that if you look back 1, 2, 3, however many years ago you started in business, and think about how passionate you were and how you valued everybody that you interacted with such great esteem and such respect, and that should follow through on your journey throughout your business career and remain consistent. Very, very important. Now, I mentioned to you about staying professional, and I'm going to use myself as an example here. I'm a content creator. I know a lot of you, my viewers, are content creators as well. And as your channels and your content becomes more popular, you'll find that you also get an increase in interactivity with your viewers. And that includes things like comments on your videos, tweets, interactions on other social media platforms. And you will get on occasion people being critical of your content, or indeed if you're in another sort of business, you'll find that you get customers or clients that are critical of your business as well. And you've got to learn not to react. Now, if you're working on a business that mainly interacts via email, then you have time to consider your responses. I've seen it so often in the comment section of videos or in tweets from businesses that are in the retail or service sector as well, not just content creators like me, that they get a comment that's very critical from a customer, client or viewer, and they react in a very knee-jerk way. So it's like an instant reply because their shackles have gone up. They're not happy that they're getting some sort of negative feedback, and they respond very quickly, much like you would in a text message and then regret that you sent the text. Sometimes you can reply to a tweet and then regret that you worded it in that way. So I would treat all of your interactions with customers, clients and viewers in much the same way as you would if you were writing a proper letter, where you've got time to consider what you're actually typing. It's very important to respect your customers, and it's very important to consider your response before you hit that enter or return key. So remain professional all times. I know it is very difficult sometimes to do that, but it will gain you a lot of respect with the people that you interact with, and it will also differentiate you from businesses that don't follow these traits. So it's really important to stay grounded, remain professional all times, and I'm sure that your business will do very well. If you've got any questions or comments, drop them down below. If you enjoyed this video, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.